Hey everyone, the Red Magic Astra is the newest flagship gaming tablet from Red Magic, introduced first in China and now preparing for a global launch. With high-end specs, advanced cooling technology, and a robust design philosophy geared toward gamers and performance enthusiasts, the Astra represents Red Magic's most ambitious tablet offering to date. At its core, the Red Magic Astra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a cutting-edge 3-nanometer processor developed by TSMC that is designed to deliver top-tier performance across both gaming and productivity applications. Accompanying this powerful chip is the Red Core R3 Pro coprocessor, which handles specific gaming features like frame rate control and graphics enhancement, ensuring that intensive games run smoothly and consistently at high fidelity. The display is one of the Astra's standout features. Its 9.06-inch OLED panel supports a refresh rate of 165 Hz, with peak brightness reaching up to 1,600 nits and a contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1. It delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors even in bright environments. The screen also boasts a global brightness of 1,000 nits, 4.9mm thin bezels, and a screen-to-body ratio of 90.1%, giving it a premium and immersive appearance. With a sub-1 millisecond response time, the Astra provides tactile immediacy that hardcore gamers will appreciate. To manage the heat generated by its top-tier hardware, Red Magic has implemented the ICE-X cooling system, specifically version 3.0. This includes a combination of active and passive components, like a built-in turbofan, liquid metal 2.0 thermal materials, and a sandwich vapor chamber structure. The result is a gaming tablet that maintains high performance without thermal throttling during long gaming marathons. Running on Red Magic OS 10.5, the Astra incorporates the Cube game engine to intelligently balance frame rate, battery life, and temperature control. It also features the Magic Companion 2.0 AI assistant, which helps optimize the user experience across system functions. Interestingly, the tablet includes a PC emulator, giving users the ability to play local PC games, further blurring the lines between tablet and desktop gaming. Memory and storage are equally high-end, with UFS 4.1 Pro storage offering fast read-dash write speeds and LPDDR5T RAM running at 9,600 megabits per second to support multitasking and intense gaming demands. Despite its emphasis on power, the tablet doesn't neglect practicality. It features an 8,200 mAh battery that supports 80-watt fast charging, bringing the battery to 50% in just 22 minutes. Bypass charging is also available, allowing users to play games without generating excess heat from battery charging. Photography is not the main focus here, but it does include a capable 13 megapixels rear camera and a 9 megapixels front-facing camera for casual photography and video calls. For those who stream or share content, the Astra supports both wired and wireless low-latency casting, making it suitable not just for gaming, but also for presentations and media consumption. With its mix of high refresh display, ultra-fast internals, and serious thermal engineering, the Red Magic Astra is clearly targeted at gamers who want a console-class experience in tablet form. Pre-orders for the global version begin on July 1st, with official sales expected to go live through Red Magic's website around July 10th or 11th. With its competitive hardware stack and gamer-focused feature set, the Astra is poised to be one of the most powerful gaming tablets available in 2025. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.